Why is Firefox browser the best among all other popular browsers? What is its secret? What is its main advantage? In this video you will get answers to these questions and more. Hello, I am Alexey and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go! I used many browsers on my smartphone, starting from the well-known Chrome and ending with browser for gamers called Opera GX. However, not all of them supported extensions, unlike Firefox. Of course, on a computer, all these browsers support extensions, but only Firefox can do this on a smartphone as well. This is main advantage. Extensions allow you to extend the features of the browser. For example, block all ads including those on YouTube or put and hide them on all sites to save eyesight. More detailed reviews of useful extensions will be presented in the next videos on this channel. And now I'm going to set up Firefox. I will say that these settings are comfortable for me personally, but you can adjust to your favorite ones. First you need to download Firefox from Google Play. When starting the browser for the first time, it offers us an initial setup. Let's set the dark depth and the bottom toolbar placement. Let's go to the toolbar options and start the actual configuration. In the add-ons parameter, you can install the extensions I told earlier about. If you need more extensions, then you will already need to install them from the Firefox website. Let's go to the search option. Here I turned off the voice search because I don't use it. In the tabs option, I will choose to close them after a day. I recommend not to multiply a lot of tabs because the browser may work slower. In the homepage option, turn off everything unnecessary. Jump back in recent bookmarks and recently visited and set up opening screen to a homepage. In the wallpapers option, you can get set a homepage wallpaper, but I want to do it. In the customize option, I won't change anything because I have already set this option in the initial setup. In the credit card option, I won't let the browser save them. In the accessibility option, I will set a larger font size on sites and enable force scaling for more comfortable reading. Perfect! I recommend to set Firefox as a default browser for opening links from external applications. As for privacy settings, then here you set up for yourself individually. Personally for myself, I will turn on HTTPS only mode to protect transmitted requests from interceptors. In addition, I will limit the site permissions, block autoplay, notification and cross-site cookies. Browser setup is completed and now let's go to my Patreon page. If you want to support me financially, you can get a sponsorship subscription. The button, however, is squinted a little die to the forced zoom, but it's still better to keep your eyesight. I recommend adding to shortcuts your favorite site for quick access to it from the homepage. Thanks for watching my video, goodbye.